spoiler alert for the newer
Oh,
generation who have not watched. Sholay.
I mean, if it's 2025 and if you still haven't watched Sholay, maybe you should be cancelled. I don't know.
Welcome to the Avial
Litti
Pohe podcast, where we are stirring up the perfect mix of flavors
from every corner of India, serving you hot takes
and well-seasoned debates about all things every day. Namaste, namaskar, namaskar, namaskaram. Welcome to the ALP podcast. I am Avial. Long time no see. It's been a while and we're back for another episode, which could be considered a blast from the past, I guess. We're all millennials. Keeping that in mind, I came across this site called Bachpan Ka Pyar, and I was really intrigued. And when I went and checked, it was everything that I had wished for so long. It had all the snacks and candies and little nibbles that we used to have when we were little. Because there was everything from Fatafat to Chand Sitare, to the Imli candies, to Phantom cigarettes, and so many others. The list is never ending. Do you guys know anything about it?
Hi, Aviel. Pohe here. Hello to our listeners as well. It's good to be back after a long hiatus. बचपन का प्यार स्पॉन्सरिंग पॉडकास्ट, ये मुझे पता ही नहीं था. मैंने 2 दिन पहले ही ऑर्डर किया कुछ 15-20 आइटम्स. पहले पता होता तो सारा फ्री हो जाता. But
we can have a look about that.
Yeah. If they are not sponsoring this, after this, I think they should, because मैंने बहुत बड़ा ऑर्डर दिया है उनको. So let's see if we should maybe we should contact them. And so it was very nice to see their website, and it just brought back a rush of memories from our childhood for us 90s kids. तुमने कुछ ऑर्डर किया लिट्टी?
Hi everyone, this is Litti. नहीं यार, I तो got to know about this website from Avial only. I had no clue about it. Although Phantom cigarettes I have always found somewhere or the other, like on the shops around my college as well. So Phantom cigarettes, I never left Phantom cigarettes, and Phantom cigarettes never left me since childhood. I've always had them.
I know, right? Something about just holding on to a cigarette look-alike and trying to be all cool.
बचपन में जब लोग मिंट सिगरेट बोलते थे, the adults around me, I always thought mint cigarette मतलब that cigarette made out of mint, which is the candy which we used to have. बहुत बड़ा होके बाद में पता चला कि it's a mint flavored tobacco. So that was a shock for me कि mint flavored cigarettes भी होता है. But coming back to snacks that we used to have growing up, which are like long lost now, sitting in 2025. One thing I think I must mention is the 90s. If the 90s decade was the best decade, the epitome of it was the 1999 World Cup. And Britannia, the biscuit wala brand, had started a campaign for that World Cup, which said, Britannia khao, World Cup jao. What they had basically done is, as our listeners may remember, every product you used to buy, you used to get some runs, or 100 runs ho gaye, to you give the wrappers back to the shopkeeper, and he will give you a booklet. And on that booklet, there will be a scratchable thing which will be there on the last page of that booklet.
Yeah, something you had to scratching was introduced that time, I remember.
Yeah, तो उसमें भी थोड़ा fear mongering होता था कि नाखून से मत करो, नाखून खराब हो जाएगा, कॉइन से करो and all that. हमारे parents used to करो, yes. Yeah. So वो 2-3 पैकेट्स में, if I remember very correctly, कि वो टाइम पे मतलब it was, उस टाइम पे भी बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होते थे बिस्किट्स एंड ऑल दैट. तो फिर बच्चे खरीद नहीं पाते थे, तो ब्रिटानिया ने लॉन्च किया था एक नया उनका क्रैकर्स टाइप ऑफ वेफर्स काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. वो 4 रुपए में 20 रन दे देता था. So you used to get 100 runs for only 20 rupees. I mean, 20 rupees was also a huge amount in 1999.
Yeah.
But so, that is like the best memory of my 90s decade as such. What are some of your memories, Aviel, of the snacks and candies from your childhood?
I don't exactly remember the name of this, I don't know if you can call it candy, लेकिन वो आमला होता था. ग्रीन कलर के पैकेट में आता था, और सूखा हुआ आमला होता था with like just basic salt on it. I used to love having it. And I remember the first time I found Fatafat, and I remember I was like, wo emoji, your brain going poof wala thing hua tha mere sath, and I was in Calcutta in school, and I was like, damn. And वो सिर्फ एक दुकान जो स्कूल के पास होता था वो वहां पे मिलता था. And I remember for us it was a little expensive. I don't know, 10-15 रुपए कुछ होता था. And this is like in the 2000s. And I remember I would like, week mein ya 2 week mein ek baar. It used to be like a treat to myself. So yeah, I remember having those. Yeah. Liti, what about you?
I mean, when Pohe talked about World Cup, I had a lot of visuals. Surprisingly, I'm extremely shocked. I'm not a very like pro cricket watcher, but I somehow remember a lot of moments. I remember during that time we had something called Nimbu Pachak, which was a sasta version of Hajmola. It used to be very tangy and nice and chatpata. It was very nice, and I also remember having it while watching my brothers play cricket in the evening. I remember, if I'm not wrong, it was the same year when I think India could not even reach, I think probably semifinals or something, and people, my brothers literally cried because something really tragic had happened in Sachin's family or something. It was a very absurd year when Sachin was also going through some tough time, and
His father passed away. Yeah.
something
Ah.
was, so something was happening there. So I remember, I clearly remember my brothers crying like when India could not even get to semifinals or something. And again, I remember, I think it was 2003 World Cup, where it so much of this thing was happening that 20 years पहले 1983 में we had brought World Cup, अभी 2003 में फिर से लेकर आएंगे, and then we reached finals also, if I'm not wrong, but then couldn't win. So yeah, all these memories suddenly came to my, you know, I don't know where it was kept
Very
inside my
funnily
brain.
enough, I have a very funny story, which I like people would think is from like early years of school, but this is in my 11th and 12th grade. I don't know if you guys know about Sweetie Supari. The story behind it is because my name is Smriti and it rhymes kinda with sweetie. So my friends in school used to call me Sweetie, and also it was there when Delhi Belly came out and the song Sweetie, 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 Tera Pyar Chahida. Okay, nobody wants to listen to my singing, but that song had also come out. So my friends used to make fun of me with that like Sweetie Supari, I don't know, candy. So much so that जब हम वो डायरी लिखते हैं ना जब खत्म होता है स्कूल, तो they had stuck a packet, a khali packet obviously, khali packet of Sweetie Supari in the diary as an ode to that running joke.
Wow.
So much so that even today, which is like more than a decade later, people actually call me Sweetie G. A lot of my school friends, and it's a daily reminder.
This was the
हाँ.
same Supari na, which was blue in color, and there was this girl on the packet.
नहीं, वो चुटकी था. I guess उसका नाम चुटकी
Oh,
था.
okay,
ये स्वीटी
okay.
सुपारी वाला इज गोल्डन कलर का छोटा सा पैकेट, एंड उस पे ऐसे रेड में लिखा रहता है स्वीटी सुपारी, एंड इट आल्सो हैज लाइक उसके एड में या समथिंग इट हैज अ गर्ल एंड इट हैज वेरियस वेरिएशंस ऑफ द सेम थिंग केसर के
Okay,
फ्लेवर
okay.
में एंड दूसरे फ्लेवर्स में.
Okay, then
Yes.
I remembered Chutki only. There was this another version of a similar version called Madhu Sweet Supari. That was also quite good.
हाँ
Yeah.
हाँ हाँ. I remember चुटकी as well.
But do you guys remember that blue Pepsi which had come for a very short time in the late 90s or early 2000s?
People were equating it to kerosene, but I absolutely loved it. I still remember, I was so enamored by it. I still remember very clearly the scene, standing beside the balcony, dining table pe, and pour kar rahi hu aise glass mein. I can remember it very clearly. But I was very sad. This was one of the things I was very sad about, other than Cadbury Bites, that I was very crestfallen कि discontinue हो गया.
That reminds me, ये बचपन का प्यार our sponsor also has a Cadbury Bites का देसी replacement which is हल्दीराम का something. I
Oh,
forgot the name, but हल्दीराम makes that और उन्होंने bracket में
अच्छा.
Bites लिखा है so that people know the recall the brand value. So maybe our sponsors can send us a packet.
Each, because we are in different cities. Yes, Litty, you were saying something.
No, I was just trying to continue to what you were saying. What was the point? Yeah, so you were talking about Pepsi, and so I don't know if you guys were these kind of people or not, but I was very much a thumbs up person. So there was always a favorite during childhood. What is your preference, and what do you like, and things like that. So I was a thumbs up person, and I was a fruity person.
कांच वाला थम्स अप यूज्ड टू बी स्ट्रॉन्गर देन प्लास्टिक का बॉटल तो वो पीने के बाद if you burp it used to create vibrations in your nose so that was like a superpower for kids. Yeah, it was so strong back then. आजकल तो
And it
कार्बन कंटेंट
come
कम
out
हो
of
गया.
your as well.
Ayo. Yeah, like for me, one of the things that defined my childhood was because I'm from Kerala and I've never really stayed in Kerala. So one of the things that defined was going to Kerala by train. So जब ट्रेन से जाते थे तो फ्रूटी खरीदना बहुत important होता था. And because you're like going from all the way from Kerala, so if you think about the map of India, and you think about going from Calcutta by the coastal side till all the way till Kerala, so you're crossing all like Orissa and Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and all these places. So all these places had like one place had like very important things that they used to sell. And I remember very clearly in Andhra, one of the stations used to sell these mango shakes. And जब summer vacations में हम जाते थे तो it used to be very important कि अच्छा ये जगह से आइसक्रीम खरीदना है, ये स्टेशन से आइसक्रीम खरीदना है, इस स्टेशन से मैंगो खरीदना है. And yeah, I guess one of the things that actually defined for me my school life and summers living in Calcutta was mangoes.
Mango though is something, it's straight into childhood. It just takes you. Abhi, like if you taste mango, it reminds you of childhood somehow. Just the fact that like coming from Bihar, there were so many varieties of mango that we ate growing up. And when I came to Delhi, I was like, this is ज़्यादा varieties यहाँ मिलते ही नहीं थे. And like I can still name them. Like there's so
Exactly.
many, like Bijju, Chausa. There is one called Bambaiya, Malda, Sepia, Sukkulam. There are so many varieties of mangoes that I have. Like my father used to treat us with mangoes till like I don't know September, October, because there's also an agriculture university there, so they keep experimenting. And then there's some local mangoes that you find only in the city, and so all these things. So mango is though something that is a short thing that it will definitely take you to your childhood.
Sorry for an unpopular opinion, guys, but I am a mango hater. I never liked
What?
mangoes growing up. Especially, it's ironic because my hometown is in the district of Ratnagiri, which is like famous for export quality Alfonso mangoes, which we call hapus
Yes.
in Marathi. We also used to have other local varieties like Raiva, Pairi, then Totapuri is also there. मुंबई में फिर वो केसरी बादामी लंगड़ा ये सब भी मिलता था बचपन में. But none of these. I used to have like 1 or 2 mangoes in the entire season, in the entire summer season. And speaking of summers, my childhood was like full of the saddest but the greatest summers ever, because growing up I used to have this constant cold and tonsillitis problem. तो मेरे डॉक्टर ने बोला था कि you can have cold drinks and ice creams only in the summer, that too in the month of May, and that too during the when the sun is up. So most probably like 12 to 3 p.m. kind of a thing. I don't know how scientific it was, but that is what I was told by my doctor growing up. So मेरा वो एक बहुत छोटा window हो जाता था. And I used to love, as Litty said, I also used to love Thumbs Up and पूरा ice cream. I was a fan of ice creams, but imagine being able to have ice creams only 1 month per year. So that was my childhood.
Unpopular opinion, while you were speaking about ice creams, I do not like ice creams. Like, I like the popsicles जो ऐसे ice flavored basically होता है, जो orange flavor का होता है, mango flavor का होता है, grape flavor का होता है. But like ice creams like vanilla, butterscotch, I'm not a very big like fan of it, and I get a lot of slack for that. But while we're talking about summer holidays and bachpan and having to have thumbs up and ice cream and mangoes and everything, I guess one of the things that defines millennials and their childhood is our school time. Obviously, the holidays are part of school, but how different our school life was in comparison to the school life that they have today. And more importantly, like पढ़ाई वढ़ाई तो एक साइड है, हाँ चलता है, but two things that defined my childhood was one was TV, obviously, like every other Indian in the country, and another was playtime. So talking about TV, I guess we are also lucky enough to be one of those generations who saw the evolution कि हम पहले केबल नहीं होता था, सिर्फ DD नेशनल एंड ऑल दीज चैनल्स होते थे, एंड देन धीरे धीरे केबल आया, देन DTH पे आया. So we have seen a little evolution, and like watching all of these cartoons used to be a very important and intrinsic part of our lives, I feel. So do you guys have any favorites that you used to sit and watch, given the fact that, you know, we're all from different states as well?
कार्टून्स का लिस्ट बनाने जाऊंगा तो एक साल तक मैं लिस्ट ही बनाते रहूंगा, बट आई विल गिव यू लाइक माय टॉप 4 or 5. ऑब्वियसली टॉम एंड जेरी आई यूज्ड टू लाइक. दिस टू रिमाइंड आवर यंगर ऑडियंस, कार्टून नेटवर्क यूज्ड टू बी द गोट चैनल ऑफ आवर टाइम्स. वो CN वगैरह नहीं बना था तब तक. इट यूज्ड टू हैव दैट लॉन्ग एस लोगो ऑफ कार्टून नेटवर्क, पूरा लिख के आता था, लाइक चेस बोर्ड काइंड ऑफ थिंग, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में. एंड उस पे एट दैट टाइम मेनी ऑफ द कार्टून्स ऑन दैट वर डब्ड इनटू हिंदी, क्योंकि अंग्रेजी आता नहीं था किसी को इंडिया में शायद. माय टॉप 5 कार्टून्स आई वाज लिस्टिंग. सो टॉम एंड जेरी, स्कूबी डू, डेक्स्टर्स लैब, and then that DuckTales was there, that Uncle Scrooge and his 3 nephews, and then Tailspin was also there. Baloo hota tha usme, and also that SWAT cats, Chote Meow, Bade Meow, all these this take me back.
कार्टून नेटवर्क पे सुबह वाले सारे, नॉडी, बॉब द बिल्डर, ऑल दोस जो सुबह में आते थे. एंड देन देयर वाज अ शो कॉल्ड, नो आई रिमेंबर वाचिंग देम ऑन कार्टून नेटवर्क.
Oh really?
I've never watched Pogo in my life.
What?
Yeah. So even Cartoon Network, as he said, for a very long time growing up, I thought Cartoon Network is for rich. So we did not have, I don't know what was the reason, but in Bihar, even when we had access to cable, we did not have many channels at the time. So I have watched more of cartoon on Disney R, which used to come शाम को और सुबह 1-1 घंटे का on Sony. And mostly there were Disney के cartoons on it. And it's very थोड़ा सा बड़े होने के बाद then Cartoon Network का access आया. So morning में we used to watch all this Bob the Builder and all, I am Noddy. And then in the evening, and I used to love Popeye as well.
Oh yes.
All those. Yeah. So I like more of those, like Disney ones. All those DuckTales and वो Baloo का वो like the, what was the name of that show? Tailspin. Yeah. And all those chipmunks, दो chipmunk वाले भी होते थे, all those. So I have like more like fonder memories of Disney cartoons. Yeah. But I also remember, I don't know if you guys were into comics or not, I remember reading more of comics that time. There were Raj comics and Diamond comics. So Super Commando Dhruv I loved. I just loved. I think he's my first crush. And then there was Diamond comics mein all time, like Pinky, Chacha Chaudhary, Billu, all those.
Yes, and Tinkle. So along these train journeys that we used to have, Tinkle was also another thing. So in my library, like from my childhood to like way later. I guess I have like more than 100 200 copies of Tinkle, and I used to like, throughout life just take some random edition and start reading. And one of the like I my एकदम छोटे में I used to be in Sikkim, so I remember that time cable नहीं था, so वही DD National and all ही होता था. तब हम and I also remember like cartoons I don't remember as much watching when I was like really small, like nursery KG का time बोल रही हूँ. But I remember watching Mahabharat Sundays को सुबह सुबह सब कोई like ready होके नहा धो के, and I remember we did not have a TV yet, so we used to go to our neighbors upstairs and we used to watch सब एक साथ मिलके. It used to be really fun. And then later when we came to Calcutta, obviously we got cable, and तब Cartoon Network, Pogo, all the western वाले हिंदी में obviously होते थे. So Pogo, Nickelodeon, and all of these channels, and I used to watch all of these cartoons that you said, and I used to love like what is it called? The dinosaur one. Do you guys remember the dinosaur?
Flintstones.
छिपकली के नाना है, छिपकली
No.
के है ससुर.
Flintstones
No,
are you
no,
saying?
No, I'm not talking about Flintstones. I'm talking, that is तो वो Stone Age वाला actual dinosaur कि वो एक लड़का और लड़की एक मैजिकल लैंड में चले जाते हैं जहाँ पे डायनासोर्स होते हैं. मैं चाहूँ दिल से मैं ये चाहूँ करके बोल के they turn into magic. What was it called? I don't remember right now, but I'm pretty sure our listeners know about this. And another one was Winx Club, which was about these little fairies, and all the Barbie ones as well. And yeah, I mean,
I have not watched any of these. I've not even
Wow.
heard about them.
I've never heard of these. Yeah.
oh wow, wow, okay.
ये 90s kids में भी generation gap है, ये आज पता चला.
हाँ,
And I
because
suggested something else, something from DD1 when you were talking about dinosaurs. Something. Have you seen that Pohe? This one, like it used to come around the same time when Mowgli used to come. The
Yeah.
song that
What
I
was it?
just sang.
Yeah, what was it about? मतलब क्या story था?
Dinosaur.
We three clearly grew up in three different Indias क्योंकि एक दूसरे का reference ही याद नहीं आ रहे हैं. But hopefully there will be audience members also divided into three parts कि मुझे इसका याद आ रहा है, मुझे इसका याद आ रहा है. So let's see.
हाँ.
it was
Then-
called, sorry, it was not dinosaur. I'm so sorry. It was dragon. So it was called Dragon Tales. I just googled.
yeah.
I'm sorry to cut your conversation through as well. It was called Dragon Tales, and it was one of my favorites. And I remember later जब DTH आया तो हमने टाटा स्काई लिया था, तो तब then option होता था ना, you can listen मतलब listen to it in different languages. तो मलयालम तो नहीं आता था, तो मैं इंग्लिश में सुनती थी. So I have like watched Bob the Builder, करके दिखाएंगे, and Bob the Builder, we can
हाँ भाई हाँ.
do it. And also, like, while we're talking about cartoons, we also like were defined by a lot of other serials that used to come on the Indian channels. My main was Shaktiman. I remember very clearly sitting and watching that. And what about you guys?
I'm just able to remember random names from my childhood. मतलब एक scene कभी एक episode देखा होगा, like चंद्रकांता, सिंदाबाद, हातिम, कैप्टन व्योम, ये सब चीजें थोड़ी कभी देखी हैं. They are like stored somewhere in the back of my brain कहीं पे, और अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं तो it's coming out of somewhere. But I don't remember like binge watching them or watching them on a regular basis. But these are some of the names.
And I remember when I used to go to Kerala, so obviously the reality there is very different. And abhi jis tarike se there is a to and fro of all the stuff that we like, the content that we intake, us waqt nahi tha. So jab I used to read Tinkle in English and read other Hindi comics or watch Hindi stuff, I used to go down to Kerala, and they used to be they also had their own comics like Balarama and उसमें भी बहुत सारे, and the thing is I wouldn't know how to read Malayalam then. So then, like, you know, my cousins or my friends or my parents literally used to sit with like Balarama comics and be like, "Acha, ye ऐसे ऐसे से बोल रहे हैं." And I feel like one of the most important things while watching TV, which was the part of the whole experience which has gone lost now, was the TV ads. And even today, there are so many ads that we refer to. Like, you say Nirma, and the first, like, instantly, it's like a reflex action. Ki washing powder Nirma, washing powder Nirma. So, what about you guys? Do you have any favorite ads that we used to watch?
पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें, घड़ी डिटर्जेंट. And one more is चार बूंदों वाला, हाँ हाँ, Ujala, that indigo, this thing used to be there. They put
Yes.
4 drops of it to make your white clothes whiter, kind of a thing. वो था Ujala एक. And there was one more ad which I don't remember, कि उसमें एक छोटा बच्चा था, वो घर से भाग जाने की कोशिश करता है. I don't know which brand was this, but वो घर पे उसकी मम्मी जलेबी बनाती है, तो उसके नाना या दादा उसको लेने आते हैं, फिर वो बोलता है
धारा.
जलेबी.
Yeah, that was Dhara.
Oh,
Refined oil.
yeah.
ओ धारा का था वो. अच्छा.
Yes.
और ये भी था ना एक वो टाटा सॉल्ट, घर वो
नमक को
बच्चा जाता है.
टाटा नमक. That one?
नहीं, the बच्चा goes to the store and tells the shopkeeper कि मुझे सब कुछ करना होता है, सफाई भी, शॉपिंग भी, 1
हाँ.
किलो शुद्ध देसी नमक देना, or something like that. So yeah, so I guess that is something that we don't have anymore. Like, obviously we have TV and we have ads as well, but somehow they don't stick anymore. Like, I can't remember any ad abhi ka, like, in comparison. Like, on the contrary, I'm like, "Kyun chok gaye?" And which becomes like a part and parcel of our like everyday lives as well, where you're like you know, adding and referring to taglines from ads.
क्या
So
आपकी टूथपेस्ट में नमक है?
exactly. It's this sense of nostalgia has set in, not only this year, but it's been there for like some time, especially after COVID, I feel, because there is this dissonance in our reality. And I feel like we want some sense of normalcy that we want to hold on to, and the present seems to be very, I don't know, all over the place, and we don't know what we're doing, where are we going. Time में भी इतना ज़्यादा difference लग रहा है, especially after COVID. So I guess there is this sense of nostalgia that is set in, that we can see everywhere, whether it's on the internet, in our daily lives, social media, even for that matter, I feel like films. So there is this whole thing that has begun, where from last year we can see so many, like, you know, re-releasing of films happening. It started with Bollywood, I guess, and I know for a fact that Malayalam industries also has re-released classics like Manichitra Tare, which I again say you should go and watch if you haven't watched already.
But
This is a
Bhool Bhulaiya is the
reference
original
to-
one, right? Bhool Bhulaiya original tha, right?
Come on, Pohe. Like, you are an honorary Mallu, but I am not gonna go into that again. So
This feels like deja vu.
yeah, so this is a little reference, a kutti reference to our previous episode. If you don't know what we're talking about, please go and watch listen to our previous episodes. And I guess the whole, like, you know, experience of going to the theater and watching films has also declined a lot with OTT coming. So I guess like this whole, especially for the newer generations, it's really nice, like, you know, तुम जाके I don't know, दिलवाले दुल्हनिया देख रहे हो, वीर ज़ारा देख रहे हो.
What I feel, nostalgia is something that will always be there, na. अभी we are thinking, because बहुत drastic change हुआ है, especially जब liberalization था 1991 92 around. So उसके बाद बहुत drastic change देखा India, and so we at that time हम लोग खुद ही जो जिंदगी देख रहे थे, I don't know, because मेरे siblings और मेरे में काफी age gap है. So they used to talk about things कि अरे तुमने क्या देखा है, हमने देखा है नई दुनिया और बुनियाद और ये सीरियल, और जो हम लोग देखा करते थे पूरे यहाँ से वहां तक सब लोग एक घर में बैठ के महाभारत एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तो उस वक्त ही उन लोग, क्योंकि डीडी एंड ऑल से जब ट्रांजिशन हुआ, वही टाइम पे उन लोगों के लिए दे यूज्ड टू टॉक लाइक दैट. सो आई थिंक दैट विल ऑलवेज बी देयर. अभी एआई एंड ऑल एंड बहुत कुछ आ चुका है. So abhi coming generation will again will always look back to the पीछे का time. So I think हमारे लिए भी वही चीज है कि a lot of times that a lot of things that we cherish are if you look at it, बहुत हद तक वो लैक ऑफ रिसोर्स, लैक ऑफ मतलब एक्सपोजर कम था, उसकी वजह से भी हो रहा था. मतलब जैसे
हाँ.
अब बचपन में हमने रिकी मार्टिन सुना, अब पता नहीं तुम लोगों ने ये किया है या नहीं किया है. लाइक हम जब अगर घर पे पापा नहीं है, मम्मी पापा नहीं है, कहीं बाहर गए हैं या ऑफिस में है, शाम को आएंगे, दिन में लाइट आई, टीवी देखा, तो लास्ट में एमटीवी या चैनल वी से हटा दिया कोई न्यूज चैनल या कहीं, ताकि जब टीवी ऑन हो तो पता ना चले कि एमटीवी था लास्ट. सो
रिलेटेबल
है ना.
Absolutely.
ये
मम्मी से ज्यादा
टाइम्स थे. सो एंड नाउ लाइक इतना वो हो चुका है, फोन में ही है हम लोग, तो लाइक so also because बहुत सारा exposure नहीं था at that time. I think even this pop culture, I remember this woman Alicia Chinoy, Made in India.
yes
It was such a huge hit. और तब हमें पता नहीं था कि pop music and all of that ये सब क्या है. But yeah, now when we look back at it, we cherish it a lot.
I guess pop music, like the album songs like Falguni Pathak ho, like one time ones like Piya Basanti by Chitra, or like the
शान के या एल्बम के गाने. हाँ,
Shan
सोनू
ke,
निगम.
Sonu Nigam, all these people started off with albums, and they used to be like, I still listen to them. And later on, you had like even the Pakistani ones, Ali Zafar, Atif Aslam, all of these people. And I guess that is something that is like coming back now, because people are actually indie music में ज़्यादा like sense of creativity आ रही है in comparison to the film industries. And but still, yeah, this sense of nostalgia is still there.
And I believe कि us as 90s kids, our childhoods were defined by two things as Indians. One was cricket, the Indian national cricket team, and second was Bollywood. Personally, I will give you an example of what I am talking about. कि बचपन में रोने के तो बहुत reasons होते हैं बच्चों के पास, but for me, the two leading reasons for crying as a kid was Sachin out हो गया and Amitabh मर गया in any movies. Because I mean अमिताभ की मूवीज तो लाइक 60s 70s से भी चलती हैं, बट टीवी पे तब आती थी उसकी पुरानी मूवीज भी. तो शोले में अमिताभ मर गया तो आई यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट क्राइंग. देन और किसी मूवी में अमिताभ मर गया तो आई यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट क्राइंग. और जब
Spoiler alert for the newer generation who have not watched Sholay.
I mean, if it's 2025 and if you still haven't watched Sholay, maybe you should be cancelled. I don't know. But
well.
तो मतलब इंडिया की बैटिंग भी नहीं होती थी, दूसरा अपोनेंट ही बैटिंग कर रहा है, तो भी मैं आके पूछता था सिर्फ कि सचिन खेल रहा है, तो घर वाले बोलते थे हाँ खेल रहा है, कल उसी की बैटिंग चल रही है, डोंट वरी. Then I used to again go back to whatever I was doing, miscellaneous activity. But सचिन आउट नहीं होना चाहिए और अमिताभ जिंदा रहना चाहिए.
And all kinds of superstitions we used to follow कि सचिन आउट ना, जो जहाँ बैठा है वहीं बैठा रहेगा, तुम इस कमरे में मत आओ, तुम आ रहे हो तो आउट हो जा रहा है. Things like that we used to do, all those kind of weird things.
I guess used to do क्या, वो अभी भी होता है. मतलब अभी जब चल रहा था T20, oh my God, there used to be so many times जब मेरी बहन ने बोला है देखना अब भी आउट हो जाएगा, अब भी आउट हो जाएगा, and विराट आउट. एंड देन सारा इल्जाम इस पे बहन पे होता था कि तुम्हारी वजह से, तुमने बोला, तुम्हारा जबान काला है तो तुम बोलती हो तो सही हो जाता है. सो आई गेस वी आर स्टिल होल्डिंग ऑन टू दोस सुपरस्टिशंस.
अब तो मेरे साथ ऐसा कि कुछ भी अब बोल दिया कि विकेट ले लेगा तो विकेट ले लिया, सिर्फ और सिर्फ बुमराह के साथ होता है. क्योंकि वैसे ही प्रोबेबिलिटी बहुत ज्यादा है उसके विकेट लेने के तो वो सही हो जाता है मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स.
लिट्टी इज जन्नत का इमरान हाशमी बेसिकली.
Oh, I love
Oh.
Bumrah, by the way. So that was a softer plugin.
Also, I guess for all of us, Bollywood did, because for me at least, because I was not in Kerala, I did still watch a lot of Malayalam films growing up, but still, like, Bollywood was a very intrinsic part of our lives. I remember when we were in Sikkim, we used to go to the theater there. The Defense had a theater. So we used to go to the Defense theater and watch all of these movies. And I guess my love for movies also came from there only, because my parents have that. And Shah Rukh. And I guess Litty is going to be very happy talking about Shah Rukh, because she loves Shah Rukh. So do so many other people in the world. I also do love Shah Rukh. So yeah, like his films and like his, like, from, like, you know, Dar to Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge to Dil To Pagal Hai to Mohabbatein to Veer Zara. I mean, all of these films, like, I know for a fact that all of us can still sit and watch it 10,000 times again. And that is something that really, like, defined our understanding of the world as well, seeing all of these films, whether it's relationships, friendships, and so many other factors and aspects of life. What about you guys?
We are talking about SRK, so I'm logging out now. Litty, the stage is all yours.
No, you should be here because I'm going to bring somebody more, somebody more favorite to you. So basically, I was telling Aviel that growing up, I was not actually a huge fan of SRK. I liked Salman Khan more when I was a kid. So yeah, it's so much. And my brother used to tease me कि अगर उसकी सही उम्र पे शादी हो गई होती तो तुम्हारी जितनी बड़ी बेटी होती उसकी. I was like, ये क्या बकवास बात है. I mean, ये कोई क्यों कह रहा है मेरे को. So भैया ऐसे चिढ़ाता था हमेशा. And also, I don't know why, I just liked him a lot. बहुत ही, like, even I still think that he's one of the most good looking
Yes.
people India
Yes.
has ever produced. So so yeah, so I used to love Salman Khan a lot. And I remember हमारे घर के बगल में आंटी रहती थी, and कहीं भी हम लोग मूवी देखने जाते थे, बगल में हमारे घर के बगल में एक सिनेमा हॉल था. And मेरी मम्मी, आंटी और हम तीनों मूवी देखने जाते थे. And then one day I remember I जबरदस्ती उनको लेकर हम गए क्यूकी. There was a movie Kyuki. बहुत ही, if you have not watched it, you should not watch it because it's a very tragic movie of Salman Khan.
Also, just to put this in, it is a remake of a Malayalam movie. Go and watch the Malayalam movie as well. Go on, Litty.
Okay, so so हम जबरदस्ती आंटी को लेकर गए वो मूवी दिखाने के लिए. आंटी हमेशा, अरे दुनिया भर का कोर्ट केस होता रहता है इसके ऊपर, चारू को ये क्यों पता नहीं अच्छा लगता है. एंड शी ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू से ऑल दिस. पूरा खानदान धरती मेरे को टीज करता था कि तुमको सलमान खान पसंद क्यों है. एंड देन when I took her there, and उस मूवी में I think it's a Priyadarshan movie, and all Priyadarshan, if you know Priyadarshan movies, everybody looks very pretty in all Priyadarshan movies. So movie started, and there was like कोई एक scene था जिसमें there is a lot of sunlight coming on Salman Khan, and he is wearing this bottle green sweater, and he was looking extremely handsome. And then auntie was sitting beside me, and she held my hands and she was like, चारू ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा है एक्चुअली में देखने.
But yeah, like Salman, like there was always this like, you know, this thing ki people like Salman versus Shah Rukh. And for me as well, when I was younger, I did not have any favorite actor, but I actually liked Salman because he was very good looking, very handsome. That era of his, जहाँ पे चाहे वो साजन हो या हम आपके हैं कौन, मैंने प्यार किया, all of those, फिर हम साथ साथ है, all of those times का जो films उसने किया है, उस वक्त वो जैसे दिखता था.
प्रेम.
He was, yes, प्रेम.
Bringing back the conversation to Litty's other favorite, SRK. I have a very unpopular opinion that Dil To Pagal Hai was a better movie than DDLJ or Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. I don't know.
Oh,
Maybe
yes.
people will cancel me or not. But it had Madhuri, which who was my favorite actress. And one more trivia is that we are recording this on 15th, and today is her birthday. So happy birthday,
Oh,
Madhuri,
really?
wherever you are. Yeah.
दिस इज अ डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट ऑफ माई चाइल्डहुड कि मैंने बहुत सारे फिल्म्स देखे हैं बट सारे ऐसे तोड़ के देखा है। मम्मी बोलती जाके पढ़ाई करो या कहीं जाना होता है या देखने नहीं मिलता है, पापा को न्यूज देखना है, तो वैसे तोड़ के देखा। तो आई वॉच दिल तो पागल है वेरी रिसेंटली, पूरा एक ही गो में ऑन प्राइम वीडियो, एंड आई एग्री विथ यू, इट्स अ बेटर फिल्म than obviously कुछ कुछ
Oh, I
होता है।
completely disagree. I remember watching Dil To Pagal hai and I was like, ये क्या बोराया जा रहा है? शाहरुख खान माया, अरे कौन माया? दिख तो रही नहीं है. And her name was something else. I don't know why he was like obsessed with Maya. So for me it was ahead of, maybe now if I watch it, I would understand. At that time I was like, ये क्या हो रहा है? ये भाग क्यों नहीं जा रहे हैं ट्रेन में? क्या हो रहा है? क्यों? मतलब I think that was a shift in थोड़ा mature story आने लग गई थी. And we were used to having movies like दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, which was like no dull moment और कुछ भी इतना extra दिमाग नहीं लगाना है, चुपचाप चले यूरोप चलो घूम के आओ and things like that.
If
I
only
mean,
they
I don't
knew
know. I mean,
the
Yes.
Kajol
problem.
ka dress became so famous. Kajol dress,
Yeah.
it used to be called. I mean, I like, we used to have those during childhood. I still have one. That same dress.
Talking about dresses, I don't know if you guys know about this whole debate that is going on in the internet right now. So if you remember Dil To Pagal Hai and you remember Madhuri's clothes, like वो सलवार पहनते हैं और उसका दुपट्टा ऐसे गले पे रहता है, and there used to be a lot of memes which used to be like you are as useful as Madhuri's dupatta in Dil To Pagal Hai, because it doesn't really do the calm of a dupatta. So now there's a debate on the internet where the West has come up with this concept of the Scandinavian scarf, which basically is like a dress, and they have like this piece of cloth on their neck. And the South Asians are really mad. Like we had this from eons ago, and that was a little detour.
No, when we were talking about Dil To Pagal Hai versus K2H2 or this thing DTLJ. K2H2 is कुछ कुछ होता है. KKHH.
For a
K2H2.
second, I
Yeah.
actually was like, what is K2H2?
Yeah. So my again a cancelable opinion, and SRK fans can kill me in the comments, but SRK's character was not a creep in Dil To Pagal Hai like he was in K2H2 or DTLJ. He's literally a stalker in Dil Wale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. If you rewatch the movie with today's sensibilities, not 1997, कि उसके कपड़े को मतलब बैग खोल रहा है, उसके अंडरगारमेंट्स उठा के उसके मुंह पे डाल रहा है काजोल के इन द ट्रेन. इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट सीन, दैट इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल बिहेवियर. Should not have been acceptable in the 90s, and it's clearly not acceptable in 2025. Or K2H2 में the problematic behavior is, as long as the ladki acts and wears clothes like a tomboy, she is friend material. As soon as she becomes like a traditional Indian nari, she is like your wife material immediately. वो साड़ी पहन लेगी, सूट सलवार पहन लेगी, तो वो she can be made a wife. और जब तक वो छोटे बालों में है, लड़कों के कपड़े पहन रहे हैं, तो वो दोस्त ही रहेगी तुम्हारे, which is very
Not
very
just
problematic.
Not just that, I still don't understand, and because I was a huge Salman Khan fan back then as well, I was so sad कि क्या हो गया, क्यों Salman Khan? Why would she not go with Aman? Why would she choose the red flag over the green forest? So yeah, there were a lot of problems with कुछ कुछ होता है.
Sticking to the theme of our episode, that is nostalgia, especially about Bollywood and other industries. There are lots of movies which we grew up watching. Beyond the leading actors, there were some character actors who were very famous, like Samba in Sholay and many other such characters. Like they were not the heroes, they were not the villains, but they were memorable in their own way. So there is a movie that was made in 2018 called Kamyab, and it stars Sanjay Mishra, and it talks about a character actor who wants to retire after his 500th film. as a character actor. So that is a very nice movie. That's a very
Wow.
well made movie, and you will find some nuggets of your बचपन in that movie somewhere. कि इसको यहाँ देखा था, उसको वहाँ देखा था. So it's available on Netflix. Please go and watch it.
Okay, that's really interesting. That's not something that I knew about. That's something that I'll also look into. And for a recommendation from my side, one of the films that I kept going back to with my friends in school, जब भी टीवी पे रहना है तेरे दिल में आता था, कॉल जाता था कि रहना है तेरे सेट मैक्स में आ रहा है, देखो. And I don't know the number of times I've watched रहना है तेरे दिल में. And if you don't know, it's a remake of a Tamil movie. Please go and watch the Tamil one as well. It has Maddie in it as well. And another film that I really defined my childhood, my school days, is a Malayalam movie called Notebook. It's not the English one. It's the Malayalam one. And it is one of the early movies of Parvati. She's a Malayalam actor. And it is a coming of age movie about these two girls and a guy who are in school. And it's a love story and it's a little tragic towards the end. But it is one of the films that is really close to my heart.
So this time, I would recommend all our Gen Z listeners to go and watch a cult called Andaz Apna Apna. So
Oh,
I
wow.
recently made my cousin, Gen Z cousin, watch it. Zabardasti sar pe bandook rakh ke ki dekh. How the hell have you not? He was not even aware of existence of this movie. And I was like, kaise nahi dekha hai yaar? So I made him like watch it, and in the end he loved it. So I would ask all our new listeners to go and watch Andaz Apna Apna. You would just love it.
So yeah, you can go and watch of all of these movies in addition to all the others that we have recommended. And I hope you enjoy and have a little slice of nostalgia for yourself as well. Okay, so after that long, huge discussion about 10,000 different things that defined our childhood, and I feel like we still are those kids somewhere. Because we still try to find those pieces in different things that we do every day. And I guess all of these things that we are finding, whether it's the Bachpan Ka Pyar wala site or like all the, I guess there are also like, sites jahan pe you can actually go and watch Pogo and Cartoon Network and all these channels as well. Well, it's been long time since our childhood. Like we were discussing, like, Sachin has retired, so has oh my god, Virat and Rohit from Test cricket, which was huge. And all our favorite actors, whether it's Shah Rukh, Salman, Amitabh, all of them have become old, and so have we. We are in our 30s, and we are the so-called adults, but I don't feel like an adult even today. But here we are. So I feel like that is something that we can actually speak about and have a different episode altogether. And that's a wrap for today. But don't worry, Spicy Avial,
Smoky Litti.
And Tangy Pohe will be back with another episode soon. In the meantime,
Tell your friends about this podcast because it looks like
you're officially part of the ALP crew now. No turning back.